Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to use AnyDesk on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open your browser, go to anydesk.com. Open first link. Click on the Download button. It will automatically detect your operating system and start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to run the installation. You'll see the AnyDesk interface open as soon as it's installed. At the top, you'll find your address, which is your unique ID. This is what you'll share with others if you want them to connect to your device. There's a box to input an address or ID, which you'll use to connect to someone else's device. To connect to someone, ask for their AnyDesk ID. Enter the ID in the input box and click Connect. The other person will receive a prompt to accept the connection. Once they allow it, you'll be able to control their screen or access their files, depending on the permissions they grant. As you can see, I have accessed my mobile phone easily. If someone wants to connect to your device, share your AnyDesk ID with them. When you receive a connection request, you'll see a pop-up asking you to accept or reject the request. You can also set specific permissions for the session, like file transfer or clipboard access. Click on the hamburger menu in the top right corner to access settings. Here, you can customize permissions for incoming connections. Enable unattended access if you want to allow connections without manual approval. When you're done, click the cross icon in the toolbar to end the session. This will disconnect you from the other device immediately, and that's it. You now know how to download, install, and use AnyDesk on Windows 11 for remote access. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.